Good morning, class 11th, accountancy period, final account. We are doing one more sum for trading, profit and loss and balance sheet. Illustration number 17. The name of the sum is Murli Manohar. Murli Manohar. Name of the sum is Murli Manohar. We have given on 31st March, ended on 31st March 2019 for the year as on 31st March 2019, right? And first of all, before trial balance we have given closing stock, which we are going to show where dear trading account by closing stock rupees 56,000. The items which are given outside the trial balance will be shown at two places. Closing stock 56,000 rupees. Now trial balance, as I told earlier also, trial balance debit item, either they will be our expense or assets. Trial balance credit item, either they will be our income or liabilities. First of all, stock at commencement, that is opening stock. To opening stock, the amount is given 15,320 rupees. Trial balance inside item will go at one place only. Purchase and sale, two purchases. The amount shown on debit side is our purchase, and the amount which is shown on credit side is our sales. I told earlier also, let us show these item into inner column to deduct the return. The next item is given return. Now it is not written which is sales return, which is purchase return. So in debit side always it is sales return less sales return. Debit side item is sales return. The remaining figure will be here. And the credit item is purchase return, and here the purchase return is given 3,000 rupees, that is 97,000. Now next item, drawing and capital. Drawing is always given on debit side and capital on credit side. Where we show always our capital, balance sheet liability side, 1,30,000 rupees. And what to do with drawing? Less deduct drawing rupees 10,000, then remaining capital is 120. Leave this figure here only to add net profit, which we will get from profit and loss account. Next account is given cartage. It is a trading account item. To cartage rupees 2,200 rupees. Next item, we have given factory heating and lighting. Factory heating, trading account. Factory heating and lighting, 6,600 rupees. Then we have given works expenses, 15,200. So where works expenses will come, trading account, 15,200 rupees. Then we have given rent received. It is income because received, and rent received will always on the credit side of trial balance. So here we are going to show it credit side. By rent received 7,300 rupees. Next item, cash at shop. Cash at shop is our assets. It is amount rupees 800 rupees. 800. The next item is account receivable. Account receivable are our assets. Account receivable. Here separate party name are given. We can collect and show them together 14,500. We have given separately Kapil, Jadeja and Yadav. I have combined it. In the same way, account payable given on credit side, our liability. Here also they are given separately. You can combine them. Account payable. Account payable 23,500 rupees. Next item, horses and cars. What do you mean by horses and cars? They are our assets. In some businesses, horses and carts are required. They are our fixed assets. दे आर आवर लाइव स्टॉक, ये हमारा कौन सा स्टॉक है, लाइव जीवित पशुधन। देन बीआर एंड बीपी, बीआर इज आवर एसेट्स, it is always on debit side, BP is our liability, it is always on credit side. We are going to show it in the liability side, 2120. Then rent paid, it is our expense, profit and loss account. Then fire insurance premium is given, again it is expense, to rent, to fire insurance premium, right? The next item is given life insurance premium. Life insurance premium is also our drawing. We are going to deduct from capital, and life insurance premium is given 4,800 rupees. Next item is bank overdraft, means overdrawn the bank account. When we are overdrawing the bank account, it becomes our liability. So bank overdraft we will show in debit side. Here it will be always on credit, 67,000 rupees. Next item, bank interest, it is given on debit side of trial balance, expense for us. Then we have given telephone expense, expense for us. Advertisement expense, profit and loss account. Salary and wages, profit and loss debit side. Freehold property, it is our assets. Freehold property, 81,000 rupees. What is the meaning of freehold? It means we have not given this property on or as a security while taking a loan. हमने इस प्रॉपर्टी को कहीं भी सिक्योरिटी या गिरवी नहीं रखा है, that's why it is known as freehold. And then it is audit fees, it is again profit and loss debit side. So in this way we can complete our item of trial balance. Now close the account. If debit is more, credit is less, then the difference will be known as gross profit. Where this gross profit will come? It will come here by gross profit. Make the total, find the balancing figure. The result will be net profit. And where the net profit will come? Add into capital net profit here. Then both sides of balance sheet should be equal. Both sides of balance sheet should be equal. So this is how to prepare final account, that is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Now let us discuss one more sum. Sum number 19, last sum for this chapter. Let us discuss from the following prepare final account. Now if we see in sum number 19 we have given two sides, but it is not written whether they are debit or credit. Total of both sides are not given, it means it is not a trial balance. ये trial balance नहीं है, तो we have to be cautious. First item is opening stock, trading account credit side, purchase trading account debit side, sales trading account credit side, return debit, debit return is always sales return. Sales का opposite होता है, sales अगर credit में होती है तो sales return debit में, तो deduct from sales. Return credit, it means purchase return. Factory rent, name is given specifically, factory rent, that's why it is trading account. Then coal, gas and power, so coal, gas and power is again our expense, trading account debit side. Wages and salary, trading account debit side. Discount debit means it is discount allowed, expense, profit and loss debit side. Commission given in bracket credit, commission credit means it is our income, that's why it will be shown into profit and loss credit side. Bad debts, trading account debit side, expense for us. Bad debts recovered, it is our income, profit and loss credit side. Rent received, again our income, profit and loss credit side. Productive expense, trading account relating to production. Then unproductive expense will come in profit and loss account. Carriage trading account, capital balance sheet liability side. Drawing, deduct the drawing from capital. Then sundry debtor is our assets, sundry creditor it is our liability. Then depreciation expense, profit and loss debit side. Then charity expense, profit and loss debit side. Cash balance assets, bank balance assets, bank charges expense, profit and loss debit side. Then establishment expense, profit and loss debit side. Plant assets, lease hold building, it is our assets. लीज होल्ड बिल्डिंग मींस हमने अपनी बिल्डिंग को लीज पर दे रखा है, किराए पर दे रखा है. देन गुडविल एसेट्स, पेटेंट्स एसेट्स, ट्रेडमार्क एसेट्स, लोन क्रेडिट इट मींस लोन टेकन, बैलेंस शीट लायबिलिटी साइड. एंड इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन, sir, it is natural that if loan is our liability, so definitely we are paying interest on loan, it is our expense, trading account debit side. And closing stock is given outside the table and it will always come at two places, trading account credit side and balance sheet asset side. So in this way, this was simple chapter how to prepare trading account, profit and loss and balance sheet. Now next chapter which is related with it only, final account with adjustment. Thank you very much for today.